हेलो बच्चों, आज मैं यहाँ आया हूँ आपको एक कहानी सुनाने।
Max India Foundation was started in 2008 as the CSR arm of Max India Group, which is in the businesses of life. Anchoring on its core strength, the logical focus of the foundation became healthcare for the underprivileged.
So the core values of the Max Group are Seva Bhav and caring for life. And we, the Max India Foundation, are working to improve the quality of life of the underprivileged by providing them good health.
Max India Foundation, through its partner NGOs, arranges health checkup, health awareness and disease prevention camps. Free medicines are also provided at these camps.
हेलो बच्चों, आज मैं यहाँ आया हूँ आपको एक कहानी सुनाने। छोटा भीम और चुलबुली चुटकी।
लगता है तुम्हें डेंगू हो गया है। तुम जल्द से जल्द डॉक्टर को दिखाओ ताकि वो ब्लड टेस्ट करके बता पाए कि तुम्हें वाकई में डेंगू है या नहीं।
Preventive healthcare through immunization is vital. Max India Foundation organizes immunization camps throughout India. The volunteers of Max Life Insurance Company and local NGOs assist the foundation in this endeavor. Over the years, Max India has established significant partnerships with many NGOs, and they have helped build lasting relationships with communities by serving their health-related needs. People come from far and near, and all their needs are taken care of. Artificial limbs camps organized at Mohali, Delhi and Dehradun have gone a long way in helping many find a footing once again. The foundation has provided similar support through partners in Lucknow and Chennai.
However, one thing which we've been extremely particular about is the quality of our work. And we don't compromise on quality, on the excellence of the service that we provide in the interest of numbers.
Max India Foundation extends help to people in need of life-saving medical procedures, which they would not have been able to afford otherwise. Pediatric cardiology, reconstructive surgery, and cancer treatment are major areas of support. Multi-speciality camps in remote areas of Ladakh, tribal and rural areas of Madhya Pradesh, and a very recent one at Bodh Gaya have spread the foundation's footprint across the country. At the time of natural disasters, the foundation provides medicinal support through the army and other groups. It encourages the Max Group employees to volunteer and to generously support the relief work.
Always Max India Foundation has come to our help, and without much delays and much procedures, they have got all the help what is required for their surgery in terms of financial things.
With their generous support, I would say we've been able to reach out to a large number of population.
Big thank you to Max India because of the compassion, you know, it's not only the camp, it's the way they've looked after them, they feel for them.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है इन लोगों के साथ काम करके।
जब मैं 2010 में आया था सर यहाँ, तो मैं रेगुलर में आया था सर, मैं यहाँ से आके लिंक खुलवा के उसके बाद मैं करते हुए फिर मैं निकल गया सर, उसके बाद मैं भी लगातार चल रहा सर, तो इससे ज़्यादा क्या हो सकता सर।
इलाज बढ़िया किया, इलाज बहुत बढ़िया किया, और अभी तक ऊपर उमल नहीं है, परेशानी नहीं।
तंदुरुस्त हो रहे, बुखार में भी फर्क है, खांसी बुखार जुकाम में भी है, सारी बीमारी से भी बच रहे हैं।
हमारी मतलब गुड़िया की जिंदगी बच गई, हम बहुत खुश हैं।
We are very 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 grateful for this moment sir.
Appreciation and support from within the Max Group, gratitude of its partners, and smiles on the faces of people they serve is the greatest reward for Max India Foundation.